Hello guys, it's been a while since I haven't posted on my YouTube channel. That's because I've been really busy with my personal life, and well, today I got a free day when I've decided to make a small video for my YouTube channel and also for you as well. So today we're gonna talk about how to charge your DJI Mini 3 Pro batteries or DJI Mini 3 batteries. Either one, I'm gonna show you how you can charge them batteries. It's pretty simple. So if you own one of them charging hub, it's really important that you charge your batteries with this hub. So I would not recommend charge your battery straight away in your drone. That's because, let's say the battery will gonna overheat, it might damage anything inside the drone. I'm probably not gonna risk it. I'm sure that DJI have think about this, so it should be safe to charge the battery within the drone. But personally, I'm not gonna risk it, and I'm gonna charge my batteries every time using the DJI charging hub. So let's have a look, and I'm gonna put all my batteries inside this charging hub and see how it show. Well, let's see how much battery I have or how much energy I got in each battery. So here you go. Put the first one. So I got 3 dots. So basically, it's this charging because I haven't used this drone much. Let's have a look at the second one. And again, it's same 3 dots. Here you go. So 3 dots. Basically, the third one is flashing, which means kind of discharging. And let's have a look at the drone. Well, the battery from my drone. So I'm gonna take the battery off. I need to be very careful with them drones. This Mini 3 Pro is kind of fragile drone. So here you go, and now let's have a look. So for some reason, the battery that was inside my drone is showing full, which is great for me, and I'm gonna keep this battery full inside my drone just in case. They're usually discharging automatically. That's because they are smart batteries. So let's have a look and charge my batteries. So for this, I'm gonna use my power bank. I'm just too lazy to connect the USB to my socket. This charger does fast charging as well. I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can have a look. No bad power bank, and it does the job. I usually take it to my work and charge my phone when I need it. Sometimes I'm charging my batteries for Mini 3 Pro or GoPro or even DJI Avata. So here you go. Now I will gonna connect this USB to charging hub, and now, as you can see here, it's showing which one is charging. So basically, for some reason, it started to charge my full battery. So it means that battery lost some energy during the course. So it's pretty simple, it's straightforward. It's not rocket science, but I've decided to show you and to tell you that what's the best way to charge your DJI Mini 3 Pro batteries. So if you don't have a charging hub, I would probably recommend to buy a charging hub and extra batteries for Mini 3 Pro. I'm sure most people that watches this video have charging hub and have free batteries with their drones, as usually. Same as all my drones, I have free batteries. So Air 2S, DJI Avata, all of them free batteries as a standard for me. But yeah, as you can see here, it's charging. If you're gonna use a fast charging cable, then batteries will gonna charge a bit faster. I've noticed this a couple of times when I was charging them batteries straight away from the socket using a fast charging USB Type C as well, and it was them dots. So them dots, they was loading way more faster than they do now. So yes guys, it's pretty simple. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. Thumbs up as well. Feel free to subscribe as well. This will gonna support my channel. I know I'm still small, but I have big plans. So hopefully to grow a bit. But yes guys, if you have any questions, ask below. I have some affiliate links in descriptions. That's pretty much all my gear. So I'm not trying to sell you anything. It's basically everything that I own purchased for my own money. So yes guys, thanks for watching again. Thumbs up, do not forget thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next video.